I think I think
Edited
I've
by
seen a
Corn
lot.
Brew.
I'm very tired of watching TikTok already because whenever I watch TikTok, guys, don't tell me that TikTok comments are more worse than Facebook moms. I'm pretty sure TikTok comments are very worse. I mean, yeah, it's very worse because of corny pictures, corny stickers, corny GIFs, and sometimes unfunny comments. Literally, because every time I every time I watch TikTok, it literally pops up in my for you page. When I look at the comments, I I see too much corny, the most cringes stickers ever. Like literally in TikTok, this is the problem in TikTok nowadays, man. The problem is the dead internet theory because TikTok is already flooded with dead comments, uh, unfunny stickers. Like literally, I've seen enough. Literally, every time I watch TikTok, I always saw these things. This is why YouTube comments are way more better. So we so I have a question for you guys that which one is better? TikTok comments or YouTube comments? For me, I chose YouTube comments because YouTube comments are way more better. Because TikTok comments are becoming worse nowadays. Like, anyways, that's my explanation nowadays. So, dear YouTube, please fix all the dead comments because the dead comments, all the weird pictures, they are flooding already uh, in your social media. So, thank you. Goodbye.